Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? Yes, set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings, you know. In the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things that's good. You know, see, welcome all subscribers. Welcome all viewers. See, viewers, I've realized that it's like 75% of the viewers haven't subscribed, you know. If you like the thing, man, most of one subscription can't hurt. It makes no difference. I mean, you would get notification when I've uploaded new features anyway. You see it, so subscribe, man, and go the thing. See? To them who wants enough respect to Tony Massop, Little Massop, out there in Rockford. Big up yourself, me general, one of the last living openly professed, openly stereotyped, publicly stereotyped, and acknowledged at stepper. Well, if out there on the town amongst you, right? I know. You know, see it. You see it. No, you see what the man they stand for? You see, I don't know, a whole heap of people might have for them take our opinion on the roles where certain man play and who was this and who might have been that and whatever. You see, even if a man during them time, a man did stand up during the oppression, them level of oppression, the way a man would attempt to communicate to the youth of today, in other feature, even if a man just go peep around a corner and look out for the step of them when them come and tell them, say, it's all clear, right? Stand back. Hats off to enough respect, you see. Because, you see, in my book from my little novice understanding, because I've been taken to school, you know, in recent days, for days. I don't know, as a boot camp, I've been bomb rushed with information, I've been blown away, you see. Yeah, and I've been permitted, you know, like somebody say, anointed and appointed. Yeah, for communicate the cause and the meaning of everything back then to the youths of today, where I might be able to, you know, communicate with. You see, so I have to big up myself, because again, it's a man that way I have violated when saying so, in terms of if I even him ego, seeing, we don't go into specifics, but I even him ego. Danai Williams too, seeing, big them up for them role with them play. You know, see, them man them at me there till now. Them man they could always scratch me under them ear like a little fly or ants. Which I never. So obviously them see today. I feel so. You know, see, if them never, yeah, something else, them say. You know, see, yeah, because you see the general, you see the whole, you see the concept at stepping was a political movement. You know, see, you see the thing about the criminality, it was forced upon the youth then, essentially. You know, see, because again, once most of the man them come from the vantage point of black unification, seeing black back to Africa, Pan-Africanism, black consciousness. If you notice, you know, it's in the recognition where Rasta get nowadays with the acceptance of Rasta principle, it's being distorted. See, them take it for granted and curry favor, papi cat, it come like a photo opportunity, like what the politicians them use today when they make representation from poor people we have. You know, see, Because them nah take you back to the beginning of the whole thing and the oppression where them put pan the idea, the idiom, you know. Them nah educate you about them thing there. You know, see. So this not them that now enable for maintain the stereotypical hot stepper where them did create back then. You catch my drift? You catch my drift? Seeing? So the true efforts were the vanguards of, you know, I and I, the essence of I and I, the spirit that flow through I and I. Because what I come to the I with is just a spiritual perspective. The I and I experience of them man that was when I was like 3-year-old, 2-year-old, 4 or 5-year-old. You see, Rasta? Yeah. You see it? So just a principle where it exists at the time. The air is like the air around the community. We live and we breathe the principles of, well, I'm an old lady. Take all her one day go work and send her to school. She just left with she give us special command, stay in the house, don't make the man them soon, because a serious thing if them soon. A hot step how she talk about, you know. And you know what, me saved by some miracle, the man them see it, eh? The man them nah go left away. It's like them call and put or post somebody there. Make the community know, say, them alone over there, you know, go take care of them, watch them, you know. You know, and that, you know, see it. At them level there, I and I are from I and I experience. You know, see it. So, them consideration there. From a political standpoint, you know, see it. One of the highest form political development because you take care of your future. You are the more than even what the politician of the day was doing back then. I tell you, this is my personal experience. If me can't tell you about some the criminal intent behind the man them because we cannot able to from that experience assess the man them, you know, outlook or psychology. From my observation and the thing from my memory and certain 1 and 2 things where I remember, I can't and I the efforts were true. You know, see it. And based on how me see them love up ganja, you know, and over the past decades and so much them romanticize Rastan, which is the right thing, you know, see it. Which is the same man them where them man yeah, hot step of them and them type of man them Rasta come from, you know. Yet them leave out the facts of well then. No for them youth that will discredit and turn in a criminal, you know, just through the same belief, yeah. Why we do that, you know. And the same drive, yeah. No for the man them take up criminality and have to start rob bank and them thing there because them couldn't go perform in the accepted capacity where society demand. Because of them belief, because them interest was in the development of poor people. These men were the first politicians who had our interests at heart. That's why Garden built up. That's why Shantytown built up. That's why Michael Manley started focus on social housing and social development. That's why this becomes a priority because they realize the vanguards. This is the desire. These are the things that they desire, and in order to become relevant and popular and acceptable, like they were, no doubt. You see, they put out and made more effort than them boy today. You see, and still, them man when me talk about when them turning a abject criminal in a Rasta, put in a exile, you know, murder of the man them, you know. Because the man them is of a different political persuasion. You know, see it. And the irony is that the man them ideas, attitude, approach benefit poor people more. You know, see it. So them stereotype it and all sort of communist propaganda and all of them things there. You know, see it. Just because the social construct, social intent is just social. You know, see it. So them can accredit it to socialism under the guise of them propaganda and them media machine. You know, see it. and turned some brilliant Jamaicans, some of the most brilliant thinkers that came from among us, into unsung heroes, and still maintain the agenda today. When you legalize ganja, you're your friend them. You're your friend them. Owen Ellington is a disgrace, he's a clown, he's a copycat, he's a camouflage, he's a charlatan. Danville Walker, I am surprised that you are still walking around and operating in legal public capacity. Charlatan. No way, shape, or form. People like the two of you guys should have anything to do with the ganja industry or ganja development in Jamaica. You see it. You see it. Want to Natty Congo, the bongo man up on the hill there, want to trim with grass buckle for a spliff. So no still a whitewash ganja with some guy where no represent the developers of the high grade. You still shame about the man with the Natty Congo to make him be the face of the ganja industry in Jamaica, and pick up some white, some shave up boy, some agent of oppression, and I put them in a losing, imagination in a fool. You see it. Only for put them guys and use them guys at the face of something we want to expect for progress and step out to the best of it with the best of its potential. How unimaginative. How crass. How simple, how petty. How does that work? You see, no, the hot steppers would have been some people who would have been quite vocal with their opinion in regards to such, and also their suggestion, a counter means of presentation. This is what hot steppers would have said. Because it's a hot stepper, is saying it now. I am a protege of the idea, of the cause. Everything that I have done so far, thus far, is from the energies on the backside of the hot stepper's argument. Everything that I have done so far is based on the energy that brought me up. The energy that develop I and protect I into the man that I am today, with all I and I feelings and mistakes of the past. You see it. And I feel blessed to be preserved. And all of the man them who turn a blind eye or don't never take I too serious enough for get rid of I. I give thanks Rasta. That's after all of the man them mad love and respect. John Delinja. Yo, all you deserve a program to yourself. But big respect, my general. Big respect. Yeah, man, that Sunday, the man, I was me and every dread, man. You know, see it. And me and you alone know that. You're going to have to give me permission to get the drama there. Because the thing when me learn from you with the drama there is how much dignity you have, how much class you have, how much self-respect you have for yourself and your abilities. And they never compromise that under no pressure or no threats. You see it? Yeah. Yes, I. Yeah, but yeah, like I'm saying, he's a deep on your own self. You come like you is alive. He's not even a video. You know, see it? Yeah, soldier. Hot stepper. Enough man. Enough of the old man, they might not know him, but believe you me, him carry a torch for the item. For a while. You know, see it? Yeah, film way, the best way he could. You know, see it? Where they maintain a certain level of decorum amongst the community. Seeing maintain a certain discipline, or a certain part of the discipline. You know, see it? Someone wants enough respect to all of the man them. Seeing all of the man them. Bombal. Yes, Rasta. You know, see it? Jabby, big up yourself. You see, you have some vanguards, some unsung heroes out there where, I'm going to ball out them name without shame. I make the eye them know, say, this area on the inner right, so this space on the inner right, so now is as a result of them man, the effort. You see, the way how I see things is because of my personal experience with them mentality there. Think about it, no man. I no drop from sky, Rasta. You see it? See? And even with more advanced and forthright knowledge, I have to create a balance and declare the thing as it is, what it was. So that's the youth them to the world they kill off one another wantonly. And I do free work for politicians. I do things the politician normally pay people for do for them. Create chaos, sabotage, subterfuge, and them thing there. Create some confusion. And I'm telling you again, I'm going to continue to say it in every video. Two ways for govern, either by chaos or by true leadership. See? It's a lazy leader, corrupt leader, well established in Jamaica every day, every time, and every opportunity them get, them not fail to establish and point out to them corrupt. Yeah? That evidently assumes them type of leader, yeah, the lazy leader them. We're not being true. The corrupt one them. You know, see? So a chaos them rule by. When chaos are going, the people them mind busy and them are watch for the chaos because chaos is something that put them in a danger. See? So them are watch out for the chaos and I protect them life and limb. And I look forward to the next power that be who control the army and the police for sending help to come stop it. See? But yes, the politician don't really want to stop it because now people are going free and be able to think. And I ask things don't start demand, so I realize that wait, but me not get enough beer. You see, wait. Like too dear, bills too dear and start demands. Help and assistance and betterment from politicians. You know, see, and that are further diminished, you know, if them grant the people them the wish and the benefit where them need, where in turn are going to alleviate crime and keep and technically eliminate crime and violence. You know, see, it'll take away too much from what? Them a thief. You know, see, because for maintain them things, they cost some money. Not that Jamaica cannot afford to take care of them thing there. But, I mean, them boy are belly off, them boy have to eat. You know, see. But usually, in order to maintain that lazy farmer leadership there, them usually have to pay some man to go around and shoot up place or cause riot or burn down somewhere, murder some people and things like that. You know, see. And in order to maintain them scale of chaos there, them not have to pay them for do so much damage like what we now do for free. No, Rasta, them not have to do that. You see it? Them not have to do so much damage. And enough big, serious money them get for just go out and go play. Because again, politicians are pay them to keep the secret of the whole affair too, you know. You see? So on a normal hit that. You get what I say? You understand what I say? So when I do some work, Rasta way, a laughing matter. Especially today, at the time of day where it is. The atmosphere and the nature of things were going down the Rasta. Hot steppers did unite, right across Kingston, they did have the man of fire shop and one another. They never used to do them thing the Rasta. I want to tell you, the man them used to go do something and come back and think and just feel like say, yo, we're not going further with them thing. Yo, we just stop running and left them with them man here. And when they're ready, we just come check them back feet next week, next year, whenever. And whenever them come back, I feed them one. I'll send for them two and them send them come. No man, no bad mind for no man thing them time. All them three thing, yeah. I got a two. They on the corner originally, you know, 3 man pass through and left 2 now, left make 5. Nowadays, boy, I get bad mind and I say, yeah, 5 we have no and them now have none. And all them thing there. You see it? And break the code. And disrupt the unity. Them little action and attitude there play in the hands of the oppressor. You see it? Like little idiot entertainer them with knows that the man them a fight against the dancer like hell and still out there. A pose and a maga with gun and a sing certain tune like idiot. and I play right in them hand. I pour fuel upon them fire. You see, when them should have out there, I make poor people oppression be the subject matter, which is the biggest selling point right across the world today. So them guys are maintain the agenda too, you know, and them are part of the agenda. Because I tell you, say, culture, reality sell. Nothing no sell like reality. It sell forever. Might not in the short term where them are put out nowadays in a mass production. You see, but good things becomes classic Rasta. You see, and it take care of your grandchildren them too. Third generation wealth and all them things there. You see. Instead of buy up gun and shot and that, but we could not buy up some property and start some investment. But we could not approach all the Prime Minister and ask him why go on with free zone and all of them infrastructure they were set up on the seafront from way back in the early days. You know, see, for the same sweatshop type of production with China go on with, even though it was shunned and looked down at back then. You know, see, right now, it would have been a breath of fresh air. It would have been a career prospect given the state of affairs in Jamaica. Enough young girls, enough young boys would have got there and could have got there and learn a whole heap of things. You see, at least them have a space so them can hang out and is distracted for the whole day. It's still somewhere. Fact is, them have earned something at the end of the month. You see it at the end of the week. Care how small it is. Enough youth prefer do that than go stand up and corner behind a man and hope say something drop out. You know me, I said that's him can. You know, see it. So all them little initiative there. I mean, if China, big old third country start, dirty China. Dirty vampire, immoral, mindless, corrupt, shark, Chinese boy, them. You want to have down there the free tax after them a first world superpower country. You know, hey, you know have them down there give them free tax. Something on nah give expats, Jamaican, actual Jamaican black expats, sufferers of the cause from day one. The people who them blood run. See, nah, give them level tax break, they come start back a business or try a business in a Jamaica. You see it? No matter how Jamaica push out something out of our belly, for the poor people, them gonna jump down on it and take it over for themselves. Gonna suppress ganja right till the very end and a ganja Jamaica start. Ganja the big Jamaica have the biggest ganja brand in the world and all. No! Jamaica not there to get go for start. Deal with the ganja market we out there today. Billions of dollar industry, you know, Rasta, we are talking about, you know. And them dirty boy, lazy boy, sit down upon them and I tell me, say, them a do everything in the interest and the benefit of poor people. Every yard should have in 5 or 10 implant. You know how much that could have suffice for the yard there. You know, see it. Where them construct, where them consideration, where them suggestion there. Because on a lockdown the entity whereby the distribution should work for poor people. You know, see it. You know, see it. On a lock all of them door there. You know, see it. Oh, a man with him 10 plant space. Or a Jamaican with him 10 plant space. The same Jamaican them suffer for ganja with him 10 plant space now. Oh, him now I go pay them high cost there. Hey, Silvera, big one, I'm a virgin. No say, last time we make a little speech. No, you don't know say me. Me say you'd have something to do with it, Rasta. You see it. You know we shape our farm. You know say poor people can't ganja Rasta. Rasta. Poor people can't administrate. At them depths the Rasta. You see it. You know the thing, Rasta. It's not acceptable, my general. I mean, know you know too, you know. You see it. You know. But vanguards are alive. The man them who create the cars still are maintaining the cars, Rasta. That's not right, big one. It's not acceptable, Rasta. It's not acceptable. Not acceptable. Are you for vice them concerned there? You are the ideal bumbuckler man. If you do that, big one. I want to you. Lego them status there and walk from them prestige if some boy in operating at a capacity that benefit poor people, Rasta. I want you. I want you. I want you. You create the ideal. I want you. We know say, no for the man them capacity or operation ability has been crippled somewhat. You know see it. You know see it. But the modus operandi has been lost in order to facilitate that. You see, because if it's not worth dying for, it has never been worth living for. You know? I mean, ideology is fake. And everything with there is done and reason with that, it never makes sense, Rasta, which we know is not the case. You see, because here I am, still continue the eye work. And the man that go mean people. Yeah? So hold them to accountability in regards to the direction with the ganja go. Yeah? Everything when me attack, the direction and the part of me depend. Silvera put me on that part here. Yeah? Silvera teach me enough of them things when me attack. Big one. I make him run there and make the guy use him in regards to ganja and maintain no oppression. Furthermore, I aim at the right man for in a position there. Just tell him same for start, I mean. Rise. Yes, I. Yeah, me not gonna dry it out no longer. You see, big up that step of them. From all walks of life, who are still around. So what this is all about, you. I am like the evolution version, the evolved version in a Rasta. You know see it? Yes, Rasta. I know if I don't know that I do this today from the day I because I saw the item work, the item did work magical, the man them did work effective, you know. Every resource of the man them did have to communicate and connect with people like the man them usually use. I want to teach I this. You know see it? Yes, Rasta. And I give thanks. Big up all of the man them. We set it. Do them little part. No disrespect to the man them will falter along the way and have to do what they need to do to survive. See, I give thanks. You know, see, Dan, I big up your chest. Who want to say what them say? Say it to him. See, you're not coming. Somebody might show him it. I own on him that. You know, have the right, he might feel right. See, enough said. Big up myself. Big up yourself, my general, my elder. Body hurt them, man. There. If you don't rate I and I Rasta, please extend the same level of respect to that elder. You see? Yeah. Yeah, the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty. Him, yeah. Man must have some joke with him too, you know. Selassie, give thanks, Rastafari. You see it? Yes. Cause cool youth, you know, a youth way. Yeah, man. Him look, yeah, a youth way. Reason he can reason with, to be fair. You see it? But him not agree with everything. And when him not agree with something, he come like him just, you make one mistake with them and them like one thing you say I do encapsulate you. So you don't know, enough respect and mad love seeing you. See? Rastafari.